Video, I'm going to teach you how to stop sharing your screen in Microsoft Teams. Whether you're conducting a meeting, giving a presentation, or just collaborating with your team, there will come a time when you need to stop screen sharing. This guide will walk you through every step so you can do it confidently and efficiently. First, make sure you're signed into Microsoft Teams. Open the Teams application and click on the Sign In button, typically located at the top right corner. Enter your login credentials if you haven't already. Signing in is the crucial first step because it allows you access to all the features Microsoft Teams offers, including screen sharing and other collaborative tools. Next, you'll need to start a video call or join a scheduled meeting. You can do this by clicking on the video icon, usually found near the chat interface or directly on your scheduled meeting tile. Once you've joined the meeting, take a moment to check your audio and video settings. Making sure everything works correctly will help prevent any interruptions during your presentation or discussion. When you're ready to share your screen, locate and click the Share button at the bottom of the meeting window. This button gives you options to share your entire screen, a specific window, or even just a browser tab. If you choose to share your entire screen, remember that all attendees will be able to see everything happening on your computer until you stop sharing. This is ideal for presentations, demonstrations, or when you need to switch between multiple apps or windows. Once you've started sharing, a small preview will appear to confirm that the correct content is being shared. Now, when it's time to stop, simply look at the bottom of the screen for the Stop Sharing button. Clicking this button immediately stops your screen from being visible to others, protecting your privacy and giving you full control again. Stopping screen sharing is simple, but knowing exactly where to find this button is crucial, especially in dynamic meetings where you may need to quickly switch back to private work or other applications. And there you have it. Mastering these straightforward steps not only enhances your control during meetings, but also boosts your confidence when using Microsoft Teams professionally. If you ever feel unsure, you can always revisit this guide for a quick refresher. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. See you in the next video.